The risks are actually able to be calculated using the Society of Thoracic Surgeons risk calculator based on your specific risks, what other medical problems you have, and your age and other information. Typical patients who undergo this procedure, a risk of mortality or a risk of dying from surgery or within the first 30 days is typically between 1 and 2%. I know we covered a lot of information today, and a lot of the things that I talked about are a little bit scary, and that's okay. Hopefully this is the only time you will ever have to have heart surgery, but this is what we do every day, and we're going to take really good care of you.